Hey everyone, so if you're managing a team and everything feels unorganized, yeah, Google Calendar can fix that fast. I'll show you how to manage your team schedule step by step in 2026. First, create a dedicated team calendar. Now share it with your team using their email addresses. Set permissions like view or edit access depending on roles. Add team meetings, deadlines, and tasks. Use color coding to organize roles or tasks. Add Google Meet links for online calls. Turn on notifications so no one misses updates. If your team is remote, use time zones and use Find a Time to schedule meetings easily. And that's it. Now you know how to manage team schedules in Google Calendar like a pro.